Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Hey, oftentimes when I'm asked when I do print and cut, what cardstock do I use? Well, this is the cardstock that I use. I just had to replenish it. This cardstock over here is something that I've purchased from Michael's. It's expensive and it doesn't work. It jams my freaking printer every time. Notice it says it's heavy weight. Nowhere on here does it say exactly what the weight is. Oh, wait a minute. I bought it from Hobby Lobby. So anyway, that's not the one that you want to use. The one that you want to use is something like this from Staples. It does not jam my machine ever, ever, ever. This one does every single time. The weight on this one is 65 pounds. So if you don't have a Staples near you and you can't get this, then go and try to find 65-pound weight cardstock. If your printer's like mine, I have an HP OfficeJet, this will not jam it, and that will. Notice it does say it's compatible with all Office machines. So that's it. Thanks, you guys. Bye.